Alright everybody, let's get started with the function challenge. So I'm going to start by actually creating our function here. I'm going to give it the name of dice roll. And I copied and pasted our old formula that we used in working with numbers to get our random number, and I'm going to add an alert box to alert the actual total. So keep in mind that we're using code here. We have a particular piece of code that can round up numbers that will be useful in many cases. Okay, so the basis of our function is almost done. What we're going to need to do now is call upon our function. But because we're adding different dice rolls, we need to add a couple parameters here. We're going to call A here, and we're going to switch our number that we're multiplying it by and insert A. Because remember, we need to make a dice roll function that can do a 6-sided dice, a 12-sided dice, and I think it was a 20-sided dice. So all we need to do is put the sided dice we want here when we call upon our function, and boom, our function works. So let's put 4, or 6, 12, and 20. I believe those are the right numbers. So I'm also going to add a fourth one just to, again, show you guys how this works. So let's go over a function really quickly. Our function creates a random number using our parameters that we added, and then alerts that number to the screen. And we're calling upon our function 4 times in this script, once with each different parameter. So let's run the program and see what happens. Alright. Cool. That one seems to be pretty good. Yep. Alright, we can see our number is slowly increasing in our odds. So we can see that our program is working pretty good. Let's run it again, just to test. One more time. Can't hurt to always try it. 3rd time is a charm. Okay, so we can see that our function program is working correctly. This challenge was not too hard, but I wanted to educate you guys, and I wanted you guys to know how to make functions work. Functions are really cool. They really cut down on the pieces of code that we need to run, and now you have a function that can roll around a number, and we can just change the parameters to get a different sided dice roll. Congratulations on completing the function challenge. If you have any questions with functions or anything like that, please let me know. You're almost done this course, so I want to congrats you and say good job everybody. You're almost there. Just a few more lectures and you'll have the whole course completed, and you're on your way to becoming a JavaScript developer.